Story. I want to tell you guys a story about, a friend of mine. I think I'm going to make a post about it, but recently online, I came across this friend of mine. I remember when I was writing my, I was still in secondary school. Then I was having my assignments because I used to have a lot of friends who, come around me and flock around me for my assignment. And then we're having lunch, and this friend of mine confided in me, on her HIV status. And I was, as a young person, I was still very young. I think I was very young, so I didn't know how to process this because I knew that they had taught us about HIV AIDS and how deadly that disease was. But I could imagine how my friend had borne this burden for such a very long time, and I just had to pause and I had to listen to her and give her my ear and just share some sympathy and empathy with her. But I couldn't imagine how she felt because after she was like, listen, you're the only person I've told about this and all. And yesterday I came across her post online, and honestly it was like a wave of memory that came over me, because I remember when we had a conversation and thinking about what's happening right now in the HIV space, for funding and the availability of ARVs for patients in the population. I think back to my friend. How is she going to survive? This is someone who lost both of her parents to HIV AIDS because of back then there were no treatment for them, but now we have treatment. But now another barrier we have to face, which is how do we get medicines to these people who really need them. So I'm open to the universe to send me, because there are certain diseases that I will never turn a blind eye to. HIV is one of them, cancer is one of them, malaria is one of them, and diabetes is one of them. And so for me, I'm always praying to God to put me in the right places to speak up, and also to use my knowledge and skills to be able to help vulnerable people in different populations to be able to get access to the medicines and the treatment that they deserve. So once again, if you know anyone, if you have any organization who you think that needs someone like myself, or just someone who needs to partner with this, I would love you to introduce me to them. I'm opening it to the universe, from my lips to your ear. Send me, I'm here. Send me. So thank you again. My name is Ezine, and I'm the host of the HSB. I was just coming back from my work, and I was like, this has been bothering me, and I just thought to record a video. Bye, have a nice one.